everyone, my name is Jen Bucci and I run the social media for Home Pro Match. Today we're going to be talking about attic insulation. So, is attic insulation important for your home? The answer is yes, for two reasons. Reason number one, attic insulation lowers energy bills. You are paying to heat and cool the air in your home. If your attic is not properly insulated, you will be spending more money trying to keep that cold or warm air in your house. Attic insulation acts as a barrier to help slow down the amount of heat passing to and from your attic into your home, helping you get your money's worth on heating and air conditioning. Reason number two, attic insulation keeps your home comfortable year-round. You want to be comfortable in your home, right? If you're lacking attic insulation, maybe you're experiencing uncomfortable drafts in specific rooms. Maybe a bedroom is hotter or colder than the rest of your house. Attic insulation helps reduce heat loss and gain from your attic into your home, helping make you and your family more comfortable. If you want to update or add to your home's attic insulation, Home Pro Match can match you with the right company based on your needs. Visit homepromatch.com today for more info. Thanks for watching.